tuna challenge ya walimu. There's been some transfers without replacement, and I want to ask the ministry that going forward, when a teacher is being transferred, we should have a replacement so that those schools cannot be disadvantaged, especially when it comes to subjects that those teachers were actually teaching. We don't have administrators and even the deputies. It's a long list, and I want to encourage, especially we have our new sub-county director and we have the county team and also the ministry to make sure that they employ more teachers.
So we are also appealing that through the area member of parliament to go and see how best they can improve capitation in our schools. Because as we talk now, there are some schools which never received anything, zero in their accounts. And the normal operations of the schools are expected to continue, and it is very difficult for the head teacher to run the schools without capitation.
We are appealing to the government that they consider the way they are taking enrollments in our schools, the kind of system that we are using to register our students has been tampered with, so much so that we are not getting the amount of money that is due for our schools. Otherwise, we want to thank the government for the other support and the political leadership in our area. We have had several classrooms constructed for our grade 9 and a few other things.